everybody. I'm Jonelle Kelly at the Pickers Palace in Florence, Texas, and I am so excited to share our new kit project with you. It is the Baroque Journal Kit from Indigo Blue. I love this family and I love this product. They are such talented artists, and you'll notice this kit was made custom for the Pickers Palace. It's got everything you need to make your own Baroque journal. Let me show you the journal. It's made with a beautiful Medite board, MDF, pretty much a wood board. And inside, it's got this fabulous handmade recycled cotton paper from India. It's called concertina paper. And it is so thick and wonderful. It's got these beautiful deckled edges. And it is going to be amazing for your watercolors, for your painting, junk journaling, whatever you throw at it. Can't you just imagine the beauty you can put inside this? Finally, once we've got this painted and assembled, we're going to come in and we're going to do a beautiful raised stencil with the Baroque journal stencil that was made to go just with this kit. It's a 6x6 stencil, and it'll be beautiful with the finished results. I promise you, it's a very, very easy project. Now, for those of you who follow me, you know I can't stand long videos with a lot of paint drying, heaters, whatever. We're not doing that. Here's the thing, I'm breaking it down into separate videos. So we're gonna give you a chance to do each step, pause, and then come back for the next step if you need the help. So follow along, do the project with me. If you've got any questions, info@thepickerspalace.com, or catch me on Facebook. I'm Jonelle. I'm going to talk you through this, and we're going to have some fun with the Baroque Journal Kit from the Pickers Palace.